Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Chicken and rice on the menu today, but before we jump into it, hit that like and subscribe button. So here's what we need for easy baked chicken and rice. Chicken stock, garlic powder, rice. I'm using jasmine rice. You can use any kind of rice you want to use. I am using a garlic parsley Himalayan sea salt, but you can use a seasoned salt or a regular sea salt if you want to. Onion powder, cream of chicken, margarine. I do not use butter in this recipe. I use margarine, but you can use butter if you want to. And you need some chicken parts, whichever ones you want to use. So I got the little party wings here, but if you want to use wings, thighs, breast, you can use whatever part you want to. All right, y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. All right, first thing you want to do to start this dish is you want to season your chicken. So season your chicken. Be liberal with it, pretty liberal. Yeah, don't hold back, because this is going to be the seasoning and the rice too, besides the chicken stock and the cream of chicken. So you want to make sure you coat these your chicken really well. Okay. All right. That's just me. I'm gonna turn it over. Yeah, I want to get it under my nails, so over and all right. That's all right. All right. We're pretty heavy on that side, so we're gonna go pretty light on this side. So pretty lightly sprinkle. So we got a lot on that side. So I want to just sprinkle till it's coated. All right, sprinkle till it's coated. And that's good. All right, so garlic powder. All right, the onion powder. Not many ingredients for this dish. This dish is really easy. You don't have to watch it. I don't have to do a lot to it. You do not have to rinse your rice. All right, so one cup of whatever. This is this will feed like 2 or 3 people, but this will not feed 4 people. So 2 or 3, you're good to go. Okay, so now we're gonna get this rice in here like this, and we want to get this entire can of cream of chicken in here. So get the entire can in there. Good to go. An entire can in there. I like the taste of cream of chicken. I don't know. All right, you only need 1 cup. 1 cup of chicken stock. So I'm going to come on. 1 cup. All right. 1 cup. Did I go over? Yeah, I went over by like a quarter. So I'm not gonna pour all of it. I went over like a quarter cup. Well, that much. All right, so I'm gonna be even with that. So now you want to stir the cream of chicken, the rice, and the chicken stock. You want to get it pretty incorporated here. Don't worry if your cream of chicken is a little chunky, because it won't be after it cooks. It's gonna cook down into a nice creamy rice dish. Here we go. There we go. All right. All right, so make sure you stir that really thoroughly. I'm gonna wipe my, so I gotta put a top on here. All right, I'm using a glass dish. If you use a regular dish, just make sure your lid is tight fitting. The reason why I say that is because when it's tight fitting, it will steam the rice, and that's what we want it to do. Cook the chicken and steam the rice. Yes, I put the entire stick of margarine in here, the entire thing. All right, so cut it up. Get it in there. That's good. Now, what we're gonna do, easy. Look at that. This is almost ready to go in the stove. Now you want to take your chicken, you want to nestle your chicken down in there. So you want to push it down in there a little bit. All right. All right, there we go. All right, wipe that off again. Now, since I'm using a glass dish and the lid is not very tight fitting, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a piece of aluminum foil over the top of it. And I'm gonna fit my lid on there. All right, so that ensures that my rice is gonna steam. And if I had used a roaster or something like that, then I wouldn't have had to do this, but I know this lid is not tight fitting. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, we're gonna come back and check it, all right? All right. I find with my stove that after 45 minutes it's still not done, so I'm gonna put it back in. So in total for me on 350, this cooked for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And the rice came out perfectly. Everything was creamy. I'm gonna show you right now as a matter of fact. So this is fresh out the oven. You can see where my margarine pooled on the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir it in there a little bit. So I'm going to move my rice from around the sides. All right, so I'm going to get my margarine mixed into the chicken and rice. At least the part of the margarine that was up on the top. So look at that. It's still steaming and hot. So I'm going to get a plate. I'm going to show you at this point how I plate it. Alright, so get yourself a nice big plate for this, because trust me, this is so good. My mom made chicken and rice for me and my brothers and sisters forever. This is delicious. This is my take on it. I did it in the oven. My mom would normally do it stovetop. I did it in the oven. You can too. It's not a dish you have to watch. Put all the ingredients like I did in the beginning. You want to come back, you want to check it once. You can sort of gauge how much more time you'll need, which I needed like 30 more minutes. Rice came out perfectly. Chicken came out perfectly. You will love this. It is creamy. It is filling. It is a good dish. Even picky kids will eat this one. All right. Thanks for watching, y'all. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.